At Fifth Gear, we're very aware that your brand comes to life inside our contact center. It's our job to make sure that we really represent the brand that you've worked so hard to develop. When we're talking to your customers one-on-one, we have the opportunity to share valuable information. It's your job to make sure that we have the information we need to do that and do it well. One thing that you can do is provide our agents with extra materials beyond what's on your website or in your print catalog that would be useful when they're on the phone talking to your shoppers. It could be information from a manufacturer or how-to guides or tips that would help them provide your shopper with extra information that's really meaningful and helps close the sale. Another powerful tool that you could provide the Fifth Gear agents inside the contact center is access to your products. Give them actual product samples so that they can have one-on-one, hands-on experience with your products and really provide a great testimonial on the phone when they're talking to your shopper. Above all else, make sure that the agents inside the Fifth Gear contact center really understand your marketing strategy. Be sure that you communicate the offers that you have going on, the products that you want them to upsell, and also just make sure that they're delivering the message that you have already worked so hard to build in your marketing materials.